This quick video is about how to create shortcut on iPhone Snapchat. Okay, first open Snapchat and roughly take a snap. Then touch send to. Then tap here and touch create shortcut. Then click choose emoji and select the emoji you want to use for your family and friends. Then select the peoples you want to add on that shortcut. Once you're done, then click create shortcut. That's it. Now your shortcut was created. Touch that. After this, you can easily share the messages with your family and friends using the Snapchat shortcut. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.